What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's been doing well. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Today we're gonna be getting LEDs for the headlights, as I can't deal with these candle lights I put in when I fitted the new headlights to the car. They just don't work at all at night. And before I had these, I had LEDs, so I'm used to that. But yeah, we're going to be going to A-Base Autos for the LEDs, and they're going to be fitting it, and hopefully they will be able to adjust the headlights for me, because at the moment they aren't adjusted and they're shining in all the directions where they shouldn't be shining. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So this is what it currently looks like. They look like they shine fine during the day, but at night they are useless. Just so you guys can see how yellow they are. The sun shines way off to the left and not even on the road. Yeah, hopefully they were able to sort it out for me. But yeah, I don't have a video or clip or picture of how it shines at night, but yeah, I think all that matters now is how it's gonna shine afterwards. So these are the bulbs going in, H7 LEDs. See, he's already busy there. So I'll just show you guys around here some of these products. Almost everything you need. All these lips. All the car accessories you guys need. Grills, alles. Sound, everything. So yeah, you guys can see the difference. I'm not going to be changing the parks now, but I'll change that tomorrow. Because I don't have a card machine here. But it's alright. So they both are in. You guys see both are in, and now they're gonna adjust where it shines, because at the moment the one shining too far to the left and the other one's too high. Guys, that is the install for today's video. I know it was like what, 5 minutes, and then the lights are in, but I mean that's how quickly the bulbs go in. But yeah, if you guys are interested in any car accessories or anything, I know they can order stuff for you as well. I'll drop A-Base's details down in the description below. Follow them. I know they have a Facebook page. I'm not sure about Instagram, so yeah, follow them on, friend them on Facebook or whatever. Follow them, whatever you do on Facebook, do that. I'll show you guys how the lights shine later on when it's dark, but from what I've seen, they are already a lot better than the yellow ones, the old bulbs. So next I'm going to be next I'm going to be going back for the parks, because the parks are still yellow, and I'm gonna so the parks are still yellow, and the brights are also still normal, so I'm gonna go back for those as well, but at a later stage. But yeah, I'll show you guys that as well. Let me know in the comments if you actually want to see that. Yeah, I know today's video is like very short, but I do appreciate you guys' support. I do appreciate everything, all the comments, all the likes, all the subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. But yeah, just hold on, I'll show you guys how the lights shine at night. So yeah guys, as promised, it is 8:15, and I'm gonna show you guys how bright the lights are at night. I haven't tested them at all, so this is gonna be my first time seeing them as well. So yeah, let's see. There we go. So there we have it. I'm just gonna go outside. There's a bit of wind. I apologize for all the wind noise that's been in the videos lately. I'm gonna make a plan about it, I promise. So there you guys can check. It's actually nice and bright, I won't lie. But it is nice and bright, I won't lie. But I think the real test would be once I'm actually driving at night and on the road with other cars and stuff, to see how the light where the light falls and what it shines on and what it doesn't shine on. If I need to adjust it, I can just adjust it myself at home. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. I hope you guys keep well and stay safe. Stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, peace out.